All right, so I got a cool toy that just came in the mail today. I'm gonna show you guys what it is, and then I'll do a real quick install on it. It's simple, but here we go. This is a console vault. This is going in my 2019 Chevy Silverado 3500. It's spring loaded. I don't know if you can see that. Spring loaded. All right, let's go throw this thing in and see how it looks. Next, there's two bolts down here at the bottom. On a Chevy, they're 10 millimeter because nothing's made in America anymore. Next, it's going to tell you to remove the file hangers, which I've already removed this one. But I'll go ahead and show you how this one is straight down. You pull the tab out right in the middle and then slide it forward. Grab the console. Slide it in. With the console in, open it up. You're going to lift this styrofoam piece, or well, this thing actually came with two longer bolts. The ones that came out of the hole are too short once you get the vault in. So if you can see those two screws right there, those are the new ones. Screws are tight, foam is back down. Get with that. That's how it looks. All right, that's it. I got my code in, locked it. I mean, that thing's not going anywhere.